Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on OKX. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official OKX website if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, you're going to go to okx.com right here, from where we can get started logging into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and sign up for one. So basically, if you're using it on your mobile phone, just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for OKX, find application and install it. And once you install it, the process is going to go exactly the same. It doesn't matter if you're using the web version or the mobile application. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started. And now we can go ahead and take a look at the OKX stocks page. So here, as you can see at the stocks page, we can go ahead and take a look at the prices by going into the market section right here. And from the market section and the trade section, you're going to go ahead and be able to trade futures with leverage. And this is where we can find NVIDIA. So you're going to use the search bar to search for NVIDIA, and we are going to go and be able to take a look at NVIDIA price. So here at the right side of the screen, you're going to go and be able to take a look at how we can go ahead and get into the NVIDIA crypto stock. And here you can get started buying it. So by clicking start trading NVIDIA, it's going to take you to this page right here where you can log in. If you did not already, take a look at the charts and get started investing into it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.